When you log into your account, you will see this dashboard, which shows you an overview of your account. The dashboard is divided into 4 sections. Top left, you can see the total value of all your invoices currently being managed by Caresso Law and the action we are taking. The chart top right summarises everything Caresso Law have handled to date, broken down by invoices under £5,000 and invoices over £5,000. Bottom left, you can see all the invoices recovered by Caresso Law solicitors paid to you as stated. And the chart bottom right shows you the value of invoices we have not been able to recover and have reassigned back to you. You will never need to add any invoices to your Caresso Care account using this portal, because the data is automatically pulled across from your accounting software. After initial synchronization, you won't see any data appear until the next working day. Thereafter, synchronization happens continuously in near real time, as and when you enter data into your accounts program. It is important to emphasize at this point that it is absolutely essential that you keep your account software up to date, for example by entering payments as soon as you receive them, so within 24 hours of the money arriving in your bank. And by making sure all information, like issue dates and debtor's name, are correct on your sales invoices. Otherwise, we may incur costs chasing money which is not yet due, or which you have already received. Let's go in a little deeper and click on List View, which brings up 3 tables. The first, Invoices Currently Being Supervised and Collected, is a list of all your current and outstanding invoices. Table 2, Invoices Currently Assigned to Caresso Law, lists all the invoices that are overdue, assigned to Caresso Law, and currently being chased by Caresso Law solicitors. And Table 3 shows you all the invoices we have either collected and paid to you, or reassigned without collection. Reading across the column headings in Table 1, you can see the date the invoice arrived on our system, that is, the date you entered it into your accounts software, the invoice due date, the litigation escalation date, the unique case number, which is for our reference, your invoice number, the status of the invoice, and what action we are taking on your behalf, the number of days the invoice is overdue, the currency of the invoice, and the invoice total including VAT. Solicitors will only be appointed once the litigation escalation date has been reached. Before that, all soft chasing is in your name and with your branding directly from our systems. If you click on any of the overdue invoices, for example, we'll click on invoice number 0027, you can see the status of this invoice, including, in this case, that it has been assigned to a Caresso Law solicitor and the debtor has now incurred a statutory £40 debt recovery fee. Caresso Care's credit management service is fully automated, so in reality, you will have very little, if any, need to interact with this dashboard. There may be occasions, if we are pursuing a debt on your behalf, when we might require you to upload additional information to this portal, in which case we will send you a request by email and add this update to the portal. If you are asked to do this, simply click on the I icon next to the relevant invoice. This will take you to a list of updates for that case, including, where appropriate, copies of any written correspondence. Just type your information into the Update Case box, attach any files that are necessary, and click Add Update. Our system automatically sends reminders to debtors before payment is due, gently encouraging timely payment, and reminding debtors that statutory interest and nominal late payment fees will be applied to overdue invoices. If an invoice becomes overdue, we take assignment, and our solicitors will contact the debtor, at no cost to you or the debtor in the first instance, commencing with a gentle and informal reminder, ultimately taking the claim to court if necessary, again at no cost or risk to you. We allow a short grace period before this process commences. We do not instruct solicitors to recover debt from private individuals. In these cases, if, after attempting pre-litigation branded recovery in your name, we are unable to secure payment, we will simply close our file. If at any point your debt becomes disputed, we can still help, and we will discuss options with you at that stage.